Western Mass News is your school authority. You have questions and concerns about sending your children back to school, and we're getting you answers. Tonight, Western Mass News anchor Brittany Murphy is digging deeper into the possibility of spreading COVID-19 during lunch breaks and how to stop the spread.
Can COVID spread in the classroom during lunch when masks are off? A local parent reached out to our Western Mass News School Authority, concerned about students spreading COVID-19 during lunch or snack breaks when masks would be off.
It's possible.
We reached out to Dr. Erica Hamilton, microbiologist for UMass Amherst, to see how to prevent the spread during lunchtime at school.
One of the things that schools can do is, instead of putting all of the students into one giant cafeteria, they can have students eat their lunches in classrooms. It would help to reduce students spreading COVID to each other.
Dr. Hamilton tells Western Mass News that would be modeled off of the success of other countries.
In some of the countries that have opened their schools back up again, that is one of the things that they're doing is that they're having kids eat lunch either in the classroom or, for example, for play or for eating meals, they have cohorts or groups of students that are always together. So it's the same 10 students that are together at recess and the same 10 students who eat lunch together.
And other tips for parents to prepare?
Reminding your child to not share utensils and to not share food with other kids, I think, is going to be really important. And then the school would have to do things like setting up barriers between children, ensuring that there's extra staff on hand to make sure that the kids aren't sitting right next to each other and are spread out.
When it comes to the school itself, as we've seen with the state guidelines for schools to reopen, fresh air and increased airflow will help mitigate the spread.
If you are in a school that has windows that open, some don't, or they don't open very much, is there some way of increasing the ventilation system or altering the ventilation system in the school so that you're getting more airflow through rooms?
Overall, Hamilton says it seems as if COVID does not spread among younger children as fast as adults, but more research needs to be done. If you or your child is immunocompromised, call your pediatrician to discuss a best course of action for them. In studio, Brittany Murphy, Western Mass News.